In Eastern Europe, tension is once again rising. Thousands of NATO troops have gathered in Romania for one of the largest military exercises in the region, Exercise Saber Guardian. This massive operation brings together forces from the United States, Romania, and multiple NATO allies, all standing shoulder to shoulder to demonstrate unity, readiness, and strength. The sight of armored vehicles, artillery, helicopters, and infantry moving in perfect coordination sends a powerful message not just to NATO allies, but also to any adversary watching closely. For Russia, this is a moment of unease. The scale of NATO's presence in Eastern Europe is impossible to ignore. Saber Guardian is more than just training. It is a symbol of solidarity. It shows that NATO can quickly mobilize thousands of soldiers across borders, integrate equipment, and conduct live fire exercises as if preparing for real combat. Troops practice everything from defensive maneuvers, urban warfare, convoy protection, to live artillery fire. The goal is clear: strengthen interoperability so that in a real conflict, all NATO units can fight as one. Romania plays a vital role. Positioned on the Black Sea and bordering Ukraine, it has become a frontline nation in NATO's deterrence strategy. Hosting Saber Guardian highlights Romania's importance in ensuring stability in the region. For the United States, this exercise also reaffirms commitment. Deploying soldiers, tanks, and advanced weapon systems across the Atlantic is not a small task. It demonstrates logistical strength and the ability to reinforce allies rapidly. As the drills continue, thousands of troops march. Vehicles roll across fields, and aircraft roar overhead. The display is not just military might, it is reassurance for NATO members, and a warning to anyone who might challenge the alliance. This is why Russia is on edge. Every maneuver, every tank, every aircraft in Saber Guardian underscores NATO's determination to defend Eastern Europe. In the end, Saber Guardian is about more than military power. It is about partnership, trust, and unity among nations. And with every exercise like this, NATO proves that its strength lies not only in weapons, but in the unbreakable bond between allies.